JC here. Today we're going to cover wheel safety and maintenance. Wheel nuts. Now these should be set with a torque wrench, so if you don't have one, we highly recommend you go get a torque wrench, and we have these preset at 140 Newton meters. So don't just get a normal wheel brace and hang off it as hard as you can. Get yourself a torque wrench, make sure they're 140 Newton meters, and especially when you first pick up your new van, you should be resetting them after 100 kilometers, 200 kilometers, 500, then 1,000, and then just check them regularly. And that way they'll bed in, you'll have the correct torque, and you're not going to be putting any stress on your studs either. A big thing that a lot of people don't think about with a caravan is the importance of a wheel alignment. Now, a lot of these vans have got independent trailing suspension with several different adjustments to them. Now, when you buy a new van, you have to get a wheel alignment at about the 1,000K mark. After that, you really, much like your car, get a new wheel alignment every service. Happy traveling.